Today we are going through the portal install on the stock 2022 Jeep Gladiator. A very simple bolt-on build, no cutting or welding was needed. We are going to replace the housings with Currie 60s front and rear with the Synergy link kit, adding the 7/4 weld Jeep portal for the 4-inch lift and gear reduction to allow this Gladiator to run a set of 40-inch tires. We did not get the entire build process on video because we were kind of on a time crunch to get it finished so we could take it to Trail Hero and put it on display at the 7/4 weld booth. We pulled it in the shop and got it on the lift, getting ready to start taking things apart. We didn't waste any time and got the stock front and rear housings off the vehicle to get ready to replace with the Currie 60 and Synergy link kit. We are reusing the stock suspension, allowing you to maintain your factory ride quality. Here's a video rendering of the portal install process. You take the outer knuckle off your housing and replace it with the portal upright, followed by the outer box with the gears in it, torquing everything down to 30 foot-pounds, and reusing your factory yoke and spindle nut. You don't even have to bleed the brakes, reusing your factory calipers with an upgraded 14-inch rotor supplied with the portal kit. This is a very basic bolt-on install. Once you have the portal bolted on and the ball joints torqued in place, finish up all your steering links and move to the rear. Here's a better look at the front end from the event we took it to Trail Hero. Moving on to the rear, here's another video rendering of the rear portal installation process. Take your factory calipers and rotors off, followed by the unit bearing and axle shaft assembly and replacing it with the complete rear portal and axle assembly, followed by reusing your factory brake calipers and using the upgraded 14-inch rotor that comes with the portal kit. The portal kit comes with 4340 chromoly axle shafts for the rear, converting any semi-float rear end into a full float rear end. Once the portal install is done, we put it on the ground and torqued everything down to spec. The portals are fully ABS compatible, so there will be no lights on the dashboard. In addition to the 3.88 inches of lift you get, the portals give you a 22% gear reduction. In this case, it had 373 gears in the diff, and the portal converted it to a 456 gear ratio, making this the perfect build for a set of 40-inch Toyo tires, and it could easily fit 42s if you wanted. If you're interested in the portal kit, check out our website at 74weld.com or follow us on Instagram for constant updates on where to find us. One of the biggest advantages the Jeep portal offers is it allows you to build an extreme off-road capable vehicle with true ground clearance while still retaining the comfortable ride quality of a stock Jeep. No other company on the market sells factory ride quality and true ground clearance. And we got this build done just in time to take it out to Trail Hero in St. George, Utah. A great event we'll be back to next year.